Hello guys, welcome back once again in my channel. Today we'll see one distinguish between is based upon consumer dispute redressal forum. Let us see more about this. See, student, the central government initially passed the Consumer Protection Act on 1986, 24th December 1986. In the year 2019, Ministry of Law and Justice has approved one new act. That act is known as Consumer Protection Act 2019. This act is passed in 9th August. This act has made provision for establishment of consumer dispute redressal agency. Okay, consumer dispute redressal agency. This only will be seen in the form of distinguish between. So these consumer dispute redressal agencies are known as district commission, works at district level, state commission, works at state level, national commission, which is an apex body, it works at central level. The act covers all complaints. Okay, students, getting you all? The act covers which act? Consumer Protection Act 2019. This act covers all complaints with relevant merchandise or services and all types of unfair trade practices. Getting unfair trade practices, the trade practices which is not fair in the society, which is not fair for the society. So let us see consumer dispute redressal forums. See, this is consumer dispute redressal forums. These are three, and all these three are known as consumer dispute redressal forums. Basically, the word forum means court of law. You must have seen normal court, that is local court, high court, supreme court. Okay, आप सबको पता होगा ये सब कोर्ट, आप लोग जहां पर आप लोग रह रहे हैं वहां पर भी आप लोग ने देखा होगा ये सब कोर्ट. सो इन सभी कोर्ट में सिविलियन रिलेटेड मैटर्स आर सॉल्व्ड. सिविलियन रिलेटेड मैटर्स लाइक some kind of crime, theft or any other social crime related matters are solved in this court. But what you can see on your screen, आप लोग जो अपने मोबाइल स्क्रीन पे देख रहे, these are known as consumer court, consumer dispute redressal forums. Forum means court. These are known as consumer court. In these three types of court, consumer related problems are solved. Consumer related problem means dispute of consumer with some business organization. कोई business organization ने किसी consumer को cheat किया, wrong product sell किया and वो wrong product का compensation भी नहीं कर रहा है, claim भी नहीं दे रहा है, replacement भी नहीं कर रहा है, तो ये सब cases dispute में चला जाता है. तो such kind of consumer related disputes are solved in these courts. और ये सब कोर्ट अलग अलग लेवल पर है, अलग अलग लेवल पे ये सब कोर्ट काम करते हैं. ओके, let us see much and more about these three type of court, and you all keep in mind that this consumer dispute redressal forum I'm going to explain you in very short and simple words. After I explain you these things, you will be able to memorize within 15 to 20 minutes. आपको सिर्फ 15 to 20 minutes लगेंगे इसको memorize करने में. In that much simple way I am going to explain you. But only the thing is that आपको सुनते वक्त dedication से सुनना है. Honestly you have to listen as well as you have to see on your mobile screen. मैं every point में what is uncommon मैं वो बताऊंगा. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमीशन में, स्टेट कमीशन में, नेशनल कमीशन में, ये तीनों पॉइंट में अनकॉमन क्या है दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. एंड रिमेनिंग कॉमन थिंग्स तो आपको पता रहेगा. रिमेनिंग कॉमन थिंग्स विल अपीयर इन ऑल दीज थ्री. सो मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ वन बाय वन. यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज कॉमन एंड व्हाट इज अनकॉमन. ओके, Let's begin with meaning. Number one is meaning. District forum, a consumer dispute redressal forum at district level. See, here it is district level, here it is state level, and here it is national level. Understood? Obviously you are not going to forget these three things, है ना? These three things you will not forget. मेमोराइज करने की जरूरत भी नहीं, और देखो और आगे देखो, आपको मेमोराइज करने की भी जरूरत नहीं होगी. सी, दिस इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, ये भी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एस्टैब्लिश किया है, एंड दिस इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ओके, वी हैव डन मीनिंग स्टूडेंट, वी हैव डन मीनिंग. सी, कितना सिंपल है, कितना सिंपल है, वेरी सिंपल. लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. Point number 2, president. President means head. Head in the forum. That means who is the head in district commission, who is head in state commission, who is the head in national commission. Without head कोई भी session start नहीं होता है. So देखते हैं. We will see who is the head in district commission. See, look at your mobile screen. Any retired judge or द जज हु इज क्वालिफाइड, हाँ, वो जज जो कि क्वालिफाइड है, सच पर्सन बिकम्स प्रेसिडेंट इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमीशन. नाउ लेट अस सी द पर्सन हु बिकम्स प्रेसिडेंट इन स्टेट कमीशन. सो सी हियर द पर्सन हु इज रिटायर्ड और हु इज वर्किंग एज अ जज इन हाई कोर्ट. सो हाई कोर्ट का जज स्टेट कमीशन का प्रेसिडेंट बनता है. एंड हियर यू सी सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज. ओके, नेशनल कमीशन में सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जज प्रेसिडेंट बनता है. ओके, क्लियर इट इज. प्रेसिडेंट. नंबर 3, मेंबर्स. सी, इन एवरी फोरम द नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स आर स्पेसिफाइड. इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमीशन the number of member is 2, in state commission the number of member 4, in national commission 2 the number of member is 4. ओके, कितना सिंपल है, एकदम सिंपल है इसको मेमोराइज करने के लिए. यू जस्ट नीड टू गो थ्रू वंस. मैं इसको टीच करने के बाद आप एक बार इसको गो थ्रू करो, डेफिनेटली यू विल अंडरस्टैंड एंड यू विल बी एबल टू मेमोराइज quickly, very fast. Okay, we'll go for the next point. Next point is point number 4, membership tenure. Now every forum में जो members होते हैं, जो members आपने point number 3 में पढ़ा, वो सारे membership का एक limit होता है, एक time period होता है to hold the office. So in district commission the time period is 5 years. Members can hold the office, members can work in district commission only for the period of 5 years. See that 5 year is common everywhere, even here too it is 5 years. So everywhere member will hold the office, member will work in the commission for the period of 5 years, and 5 years के बाद क्या होगा, इनका membership will be renewed. But for every member there is certain age limit. For every member there is certain age limit. In district commission the age limit is 65, in state commission age limit is 67, in national commission age limit is 67. Okay, clear. 65, 67, 67. Clear, very simple. Let's see next point number 5, area covered. This is about area covered by district commission, state commission and national commission. See, district commission covers entire district, state commission covers entire state and national commission cover entire nation. Okay, हो गया. Next, last 2 points are remaining. Point number 6, monetary jurisdiction. अब कंज्यूमर का जो डिस्प्यूट होगा that will be on goods and that goods will have certain value. So depending upon the value of goods, getting student, depending upon value of goods, one consumer can appeal to the court. Example, if the amount of goods is up to rupees 1 crore, if the amount of goods is up to rupees 1 crore, consumer can appeal to district commission. But अगर 1 crore से ज़्यादा है तो see here, if the amount is more than 1 crore and less than 10 crore, that means amount 1 crore से 10 crore के बीच में है तो consumer can appeal to state commission. But if the amount is more than 10 crore, then consumer can appeal to national commission. दूसरा कोर्ट में नहीं जाएगा. Depending upon the limit, depending upon the limit on value of goods, consumer have to appeal to the respective court, respective forum. Last point, see, if any person is not satisfied with the decision of district commission, they can appeal to state commission. If any person is not taken by with the decision given by district commission, that person can appeal to state कमीशन. नॉर्मल भी ऐसा होता है, अगर आप लोकल कोर्ट के डिसीजन से सेटिस्फाई नहीं है तो आप हाई कोर्ट में जा सकते हैं. हाई कोर्ट के डिसीजन से सेटिस्फाई नहीं है तो आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जा सकते हैं. ये चीज आपने मूवी में भी देखा होगा, जो मूवी में हीरो लोग डायलॉग मारते, मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक जाऊंगा, हाई कोर्ट तक जाऊंगा, तो ये वही चीज है. लेट्स सी अबाउट स्टेट कमीशन. इफ एनी कंज्यूमर is not satisfied with the decision given by state commission, they can appeal to national commission within 30 days. Everywhere limit is 30 days. 30 days के ऊपर हो गया तो आप फिर कोई भी नेक्स्ट कोर्ट में अपील नहीं कर सकते हैं. अपील करने का भी टाइम लिमिट, ऐसा नहीं कि आप कभी भी अपील कर सकते हैं, नहीं, टाइम लिमिट इज विद इन 30 days. Let's talk about National Commission. If any particular consumer is not satisfied with the decision given by National Commission, such person, such consumer can appeal to Supreme Court. Again, the time limit is within 30 days of making such decision. और सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो भी ऑर्डर होगा, whatever decision is given by Supreme Court, that will be full and final. So with this we have done all 7 points. If you are having any doubt, थोड़ा भी doubt होगा, you again repeat the video and definitely I'm sure that you will understand all the points and will be able to memorize within very short time. So thank you for this session.